My name is Nancy.
My name is Judy.
We've been together for 41 years. This was at the top of our wedding cake. I was able to control it and have an active life until the last 2 or 3 years it began to get a little worse. I've taken care of this before, that this will go away and I'll have another period of being okay. But that didn't happen. A very reputable surgeon came to talk to me, and he said, consider hospice.
He kept saying, you're 93 and you've probably had a good life.
So I was about ready to accept it. And Judy said, you're not going to fight?
You know, he came into the room to talk to her with a smile, and he smiled through the whole thing.
I did, yeah.
He did, and made us feel that there was hope, you know?
Yeah.
Hope.
So the option of just giving her a colostomy and leaving the obstruction in place, I thought was going to be good enough for her to have a much better quality of life than she was having there. And then we can deal with the obstruction in the future if we needed to. Got her into the OR, and by that afternoon, she was feeling better, dancing in the hallways. I saw a video of her dancing in the hallways. Maybe it was a couple days later.
For a change?
Probably the first time I had a nice meal like that in a while, right? Yeah. She was feeling so much better living with the colostomy that she had no reason to undergo another surgery.
I think I feel a lot more than I'm able to say.
Oh, no, thank you so much.
So we put together this book to show our appreciation.
It just goes over everything that happened after the surgery. A lot of her time over the holidays, over Christmas and New Year's with her family and all the stuff she was able to enjoy. And some really nice pictures of her grandchildren and her children.
Yes.
And you look like nothing was done to you, Nancy.
Yeah.
Like, I can't even pick who had the surgery in this group here.
From the time my care started in Cooper, everyone who worked with me was just absolutely wonderful.
An active 93-year-old, I didn't know what that meant, but now I know. She can do anything just about anybody can do.
I've been doing chair yoga.
There we are.
Physically, I feel great. The most important thing is that I feel healthy. I go for walks, I love movies, I love my family.
You love me, right?
I want to say that Judy is my rock. And this is my superhero.
She's got a lot to live for.
You know, you are in our hearts and lives forever and ever and ever.